Hello. So today we are doing how to make your games mobile friendly with arrow buttons. So in this video we will talk about how to make your games mobile friendly using arrow buttons. So first of all, go to choose a sprite and choose this area or search arrow, and here you can see I am having an arrow. This arrow will be my control. So go to the costumes and now click on this button and make your arrow a little bigger. Make your arrow a little bigger in this way. And now copy paste, duplicate. Now delete this sprite, delete this also, delete this. And now we will make like this. Now we will copy this again, duplicate this again. Now delete and keep the right and delete the up and down. You can also keep that, but it will take some storage, so I am making in this way. And when your buttons are ready, you can make them fat to increase their control, because we will use a thumb to control with the buttons and control the sprite. So the buttons need to be bigger. So this is the down arrow, and now click on the sprite and now do in this way. Now let's do some coding. Put it here and now let's do some coding. It's not going here. Yes, now it is gone. And now let's do some coding. So first of all, we will click on this sprite and choose when sprite click broadcast message. So this is this block or component broadcast message will keep a signal or give a message to the player. So I will name this message go up. And this message when sprite click broadcast go left. Now put go left and put it here, go left, and put it go up. Now doing this way. Now when this sprite clicked broadcast go down. Or go right, and this will be go down. Go down. Before starting, if your buttons are not sending the right signal, make them write that here is the sprite. Okay, I am make this right, make this left, left, make this this is down, this is left, this is up, and this is right. Now when I receive go down, when I receive, and when I receive, this will be go down, this will be go left, this will be go right, and this will be go up. Now we will take move 10 steps or change x by 10, and here here will be change x by minus 10, change x by minus 10, and change x by 10, change y by minus 10, change y by minus 10, and duplicate, and change y by 10. And here you can see all of this is set. And here you can see my cat is moving in the direction I am clicking the arrow. So in this way you can make your games mobile friendly with arrows. There will be another video of joystick, mobile joystick, which will come later. So that's all for today. Bye. If you like the video, leave a like. So that's all for today. Bye.